Hello everyone, welcome back to the ESL lesson. In the lesson today, we are going to review Unit 5 and Unit 6. The objectives of the lesson today are: Number 1, review vocabulary. Number 2, review grammar of Unit 5. Number 3, review grammar of Unit 6. And finally, we are going to practice a practice test on LMS. Now, let's come to number 1, review vocabulary. We are going to play a game. You will read the sentences, choose the correct word and write it down onto your notebook. You will have 10 seconds per question. And draw a small star if you have the correct answer. Are you ready for the game? Now, let's go. Number 1. A picture made using paints. What is your answer? 10 seconds for you now. Time's up. Tell me your answer. Yes, the correct answer here is B, painting. Number 2. It's a container to hold water. What is your answer? 10 seconds for you now. Time's up. Tell me your answer. Perfect. The correct answer here is A jug. Number 3. Objects such as rings or necklaces that people wear as decorations. What is your answer? 10 seconds now. Time's up. Tell me your answer. Good job. The correct answer here is C, jewelry. Number 4. It's an action to make houses or buildings by putting bricks together. What is your answer? Now is your 10 seconds. Okay, time is up. The answer here is C, build. And finally, number 5. Something that you wear over your face to hide or frighten other people. What is your answer? 10 seconds now. Okay, time's up. Tell me your answer. Perfect. The correct answer here is A, mask. Now, let's count the stars. If you have 5 stars, you are so excellent. If you have 3 to 4 stars, you did a good job. However, if you have from 0 to 2 stars, you need to keep trying more and more. Alright, so we just finished objective number 1. Now, let's move to objective number 2, review grammar of Unit 5. You are going to change the verbs into the past simple tense. Then write the answers in your notebook. You will have 3 minutes to finish this exercise. And again, draw a small star for a correct answer. 3 minutes for you now. 10 seconds for you now. Alright, time's up. Now let's check the answer. Number 1. Go changed into went. Number 2. Play changed into played. Number 3. Eat changed into ate. Perfect. Number 4. See changed into saw. And the last one, number 5. Dance changed into danced. Well done. So, we've just reviewed the verbs in the past. Now, it's time to review the questions in the past simple tense. Let's read the questions and tell me which question is correct. You will have 10 seconds to think. 10 seconds for you now. Time's up. Tell me your answer. Great. The correct answer here is B. Remember, we use verb infinitives in the questions with did in the past simple tense. So, where did you go yesterday, not went. Now, let's check another question. Which one is correct? 10 seconds for you now. Time's up. Tell me your answer. Perfect. The answer here is A. Did you go to the museum yesterday? Alright. So, we just finished objective number 2. Now, let's move to the objective number 3. Review grammar of Unit 6. Look at the picture. What can you see in the pictures? Here, we can see a car and a bike, right? Now, I have the word fast. Can you make a comparative sentence with fast for me, please? Great. The sentence is, the car is faster than the bike, right? Now, I have the word slower. Can you make sentence with the word slower for me, please? Fantastic! The sentence here is the bike is slower than the car, right? So, in comparative sentence, remember to add er at the end of the short adjectives to make comparative form of them. For example, the word fast, I add er to make it faster. Or the word slow, I add er and then we have the word slower. In comparative sentence, we compare between how many people or things? Great! We compare between two people or things. For example, in this sentence, I compare between the car and the bike. Now, let's move to the superlative sentences. Look at the picture. I have three things here. There is a plane, a car, and a bike. Now, I have the word fast again. Can you make a superlative sentence with fast for me, please? Great! The sentence is, the plane is the fastest. Now, I have the word slow. Can you make sentence with the word slow? A superlative sentence. Great! The sentence is, the bike is the slowest. So, in superlative sentence, we compare among more than two people or things. For example, in these pictures, I compare among three things, a plane, a car, and a bike. And remember to add est to the end of the short adjectives to make the superlative form of them. For example, fast changed into the fattest. Slow changed into the slowest. Alright, now it's practice time. Let's go on to your LMS. On week 24, find the practice text 2 and finish them. And now is the end of the lesson today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and see you next time.